Madam and Sir, if you keep hearing the history of their marriage, it is more enchanting than anything else, I think so. Yes, and those who know it, I think let's give them our applaud. Everybody here, Nari Shakti Award 2018 and all the organizers, Savji sir, Ujjwala ma'am, Mangesh, dear Poonam, Major Poonam to be precise. And now in 2018, I was just remembering and I was just thinking, what do I talk and what do I tell? India was the first country where the voters list was made. I'll talk of what concerns me most. In fact, what concerns even our country most. Somebody today in the morning asked me, tell me, why are you in politics? What is one thing that gives you happiness? The second question. And what is one thing that you get demotivated? So why am I in politics? The answer is because I believe in Gandhi. And what is Gandhi? Is consensus with your own self. सावजी सर जेव्हा बोलत होते तेव्हा असं वाटत होतं कुठेतरी गांधीजींचे विचार आपण या सभागृहाला सांगताय. And what is consensus with your own self? And what is politics? Is service to the society. And why service to the society? Because we are all a part of this society. So I was talking that India was the first country where in this whole world the first voters list was made before independence. And we should take pride in it. How many of us really knew this? Tell me. Just raise your hands up. One. And okay. So in this whole auditorium, we had two people who knew it. I knew it because I ought to know it. If I don't know that, then it would be something else. And when the voters list was being made, so there is a question which came forward and which said that what do we do of the third gender, transgender? And the solution was anybody who is an adult is a voter and who's 21 years of age becomes a voter. So the question of the gender did not arise, right? So whether you're a male, you're a female, or you're the third gender, it did not arise. Okay, so the solution was sorted out. So when the women's list, when the woman's name was being listed, the then Indian woman said, no, let our names be with our men's. Let me be called Mrs. So-and-so only. And here we have a couple who's organizing these programs. And it was announced as Mangesh Wankhede and Poonam Khote. So we've grown. And we've grown to this extent that we are accepting womanhood and celebrating womanhood in a wonderful way. In India, We've had the first woman Prime Minister, we've had the first woman President, we've had the first woman pilot, the first woman who rode the train, the first woman who rode the auto rickshaw, we've had the first woman to go in the space, we've had so many firsts. But with that, we've also have still in our country atrocities committed, and still in our country people throwing acids only because on the faces of the women, only because of male chauvinism. So all this cannot be fought, or all this can be fought only unitedly. Extremes of any kind, extremes of any sort leads to deformity, leads to destruction. Whether it is polarization in elections also, it leads to destruction and it ignites fire in the country at large. My second question, which I was asked in the morning, was, what gives you the happiness? So while you serve in politics, taking hold of your responsibility, the spark that you see in the eyes of the masses gives you satisfaction. And what demotivates is this. In 2018, when I talk about celebrating womanhood, so many times in my life, in my career, I am told की तू महिला आहेस आणि बाईनी असं बोलायचं नसतं. So this does happen. We are all working in a wonderful way. People who have won, awardees who have won, have won. Okay. But awardees who have not won have also won. Because we started where? We started when the women wouldn't write their name beyond their husband. And we've reached here with the Nari Shakti Awards, where y'all are being nominated and y'all are going to encourage the youth of this country. Dear all, a country is facing a very different kind of a situation. I need not talk politics about it. But let's all preserve our culture. Let's all preserve our heritage. And let's all preserve Gandhi. That's all I want to say. Thank you so much.